This is a quick video on how to access your student's Gmail account. This is where they should be getting their links, their new links, to join classes on BBCU starting next week. So what you do is you start off on an ordinary Google page, and then you click sign in. Now my login is BP Roth, but here you would put, instead of that, you would put your student's ID number. Just the ID number, nothing else. Then after the ID number, you put in at fcpsschools.net. And then you click next. And then you enter the same password that they use to log into their computer or Mayan or anything else FCPS related. And then you're signed in.